All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and continue with this. It says there are 3/4 as many boys as girl in one 5th grade class. If there are a total of 35 students in class, how many girls are there? So when you think about this, we're going to have girls and we're going to show boys. Because what I have is here's my girls. So I have more I've got more girls because it says there are 3/4 as many boys as girls, because remember 3/4 isn't going to be a full number. So I know that there's going to be a smaller amount of boys. And I know that it's already 3/4, so I want to turn into that 3. So what I'm going to do with my girls is I'm going to turn it into that 4th, because this is what I have. I just have 1/4 more girls than I do for boys, okay? So if I have 35 students, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to split this 35 into each of these sections that I have. Okay, so if I have 35 and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sections, I'm going to take 35 and I want to split it into 7. So 35 split into 7 is going to be 5. So when I look at this, how many girls do I have? Well, I have 20 girls in the class. Okay, it's pretty simple. This next one, it says Ciro purchased a concert ticket for $56. The cost of the ticket was 4/5 the cost of his dinner. The cost of his hotel was 2.5 times as much as his ticket. How much did Ciro spend all together for his concert ticket, hotel, and dinner? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put T for ticket. I know that the ticket cost $56. Okay. And when I look at this for the dinner, so I'm going to label that as D, it was 4/5 the cost, 2, 3, 4/5 the cost of the dinner, or the ticket. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to erase that because I am going to need that space here, okay? So just remember I've got 56. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this here to show that this is that 4/5 more than what it is, okay? And I already know that this right here, oh, the ticket was, I'm sorry, I have that backwards. It should be this way. There we go. Sorry, I was going back and rereading that. So it's 4/5 the cost of his dinner. So I know that this is 56, okay? So then I've got his dinner, so I can figure that out. But then it says the cost of his hotel was 2.5 times the cost of his ticket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw his ticket. Here's that 1. Here's that 2, okay? And then here's that half. Okay, so if I take a look at what I have with his ticket, I've got 4 sections. So that means that each of these 1, the 2, so this is that 1 part of his ticket, this is the 2nd part of his ticket, so I'm splitting it into 4s because that's how many I have up here. And then the half of it is only going to be half of this, so half is going to be 1, 2, okay? So the reason why I have all of that is because I've got 56 here, 56 here, and then I've got half of 56, okay? So what I need to do is I need to figure out how much is going to be all of this. So it's half of that 56, okay? So first of all, what I could do is I could figure out, well, if I have 56 and I need to split it between 4 ways, I've got 56 divided by 4. 4 goes into 5 one time, I've got 16. So this means that each of these sections is going to be 14, okay? So if I knew that this was going to be 14, 14, this is going to be 14, and it's going to be continuing to 14. What I can do is I can go ahead and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I can go ahead and do 14 times 19, okay? Okay, all I'm doing is just multiplying this out. Okay, so now what I've got is his total cost was $266 with his ticket, his dinner, and his hotel. And all I did was when I created these models, I just kind of matched it to what I already know with all the information that is up here.